Industry categories. According to the Agriculture and Agri-Foods Canada, they are the main ranking of the Canada's agriculture industries. Agriculture industries of Canada. Industrial stays. The wine making industry comprises two major national beer production companies, Labatt Brewery of the Canada and Mosley Canada's brewery. Biscuits industry. Flour is used for pancake mix and pastas. Bitcoin is mainly exported to Japan. Most of this crop is grown in Manitoba. Cannery seeds industries in 2005, Canada producing 77% of the cannery seeds in the world. Saskatchewan soil which conduces to bird seeds productions. The confectionaries and the chewing gum industries are imported to China, and cocoa industries which are owned by the foreign-owned firm in Canada. In 1997, 1.48 billion different candies were shipped. Dairy industries. The dairy industries is the third largest in the Canada's agriculture food economy. Dairy genetics industry reveals the high potential of the breed feeding milk in Canada's record of the performance program, the livestock properties and the monitoring by the Canadian Dairy Herd Improvement Milk Production Agencies. The Australian industry is the one of the most important aspects of the Canada's whiskey made from rye and corn. The distillery industries also includes the manufacture of whiskies, rums, vodka, grain, liquor, spirits, cooler, and basic ethyl alcohol. The eggs industries evolved into an automation industries with the table eggs, enzymes, breakage, eggs, processed foods, and plates producers, egg laying producers, and graders. The fish and the seafood industries and the CDN generates 5 billion annually. Canada is the fourth largest exporters of the fish in the world from the Atlantic fisheries, the Pacific fisheries, and the equatorial cultural fodder industries. This industries includes foods for livestock, sheep and horses. Grass is an important fodder crop containing alfalfa, cereals, peas, and corns. In addition to the domestic market, exports from the Canada reach the Pacific Rim countries. Fruit industries and the fruit producing crops of the three contain apples, pears, peaches, pears, apricots, nutritions and sweets, cherries, followed by the grapefruit segments, and the industry supports fresh, canned, frozen, and safe fruits as well as the food production. Wheat, barley, and the oats are Canada's grain exports, and canola, soybean, and flaxseed oil seeds are the largest exporter. Production of the grain-based products from the manufacturers and the sesame seeds is helpful in flour milling, malt manufacturing, stretch vegetable fat and oil manufacturing as well as breakfast cereals. The cannabis industries, hemp production industries including aromatic therapy, commercial oil paints, cosmetics, vegetables, oils, garments and accessories, cannabis and flours, snacks, foods and the shampoos and conditioners and moistures. The honey industries, wax manufacturers, cosmetics, ointment, candles, and homemade wax. A diet supplement is made from the bee pollen used in the propolis and royal jellies, cosmetics, cereals, rotation tonics, and lips balms. Honey is a sweet for home use or commercial food preparation. Industry, agriculture, factories, farming, deep pig farming, and integrated multi-traffic aquacultural and the shrimp farming are various forms of the industrial agriculture that are aimed at the mass production. Industrial agriculture includes the agriculture machinery and farming practices, genetic technology techniques for achieving economies of scale and production, the creation of the new markets for consumption, and the application of the patent production to genetic information and global trade. Maple syrups industries. Maple syrup can be used to make maple sugar, maple butter, maple taffy, as well as a dessert. A mustard. The mustard seed industry is the largest exporter of the yellow mustard, followed by the brown and oriental mustard. 2007 saw a rise in the mustard seed prices.